In this video, I will show you how to recover your Steam account if you don't remember the email address or password. First, go to Steam Support and click on Help, I can't sign in. Then select the option for recovering your Steam account. On the recovery page, Steam will ask you for your current email address. Enter an email address that you currently have access to, then click on I no longer have access to this phone number or email. After that, Steam will ask you for more information about your account. First, it will ask what the first email address you used on the account was. If you don't remember the original email, don't worry. Enter the earliest email address you can remember. Steam will also ask you to provide a phone number that was previously connected to your account. Enter the phone number that you actually used on the account if you remember it. Next, you'll see the Anything else we should know about the issue section. Here, explain that you no longer remember the original email address or password and that you're trying to recover your old Steam account. You can also provide any other information that can help Steam verify that you're the original owner, such as previous account details or purchase information. Once you've entered everything you remember, review the information carefully and submit the recovery request. Steam Support will review your information and contact you through the current email address you provided. Remember, only provide information that actually belongs to you and never try to recover someone else's account. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.